Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the chapter Locating Places on the Earth. It's from class 6 and the subject is Social Science Geography. The chapter name is Locating Places on the Earth. That means any kind of places where you are living in the earth, that place we can locate with the help of some coordinates or some different things. So that is the content of the chapter. From the chapter, which things we are now going to know? The first one is what is map and how do we use it? That means what are the uses of the map? Second thing is what are its main components, how we are using the map, what's the processes of using it. Third point is what are the coordinates, and the last and fourth point is how can latitude and longitude be used to mark any location on the earth. Latitude and longitude part, the concept of these two coordinates we have already learned in our previous classes. So these 4 points are the main subject matter from the chapter, but today we are going to know only the portion about map and its uses. Now we are going for the different part, which is what is map. That means now we are going to know about the definition of map. A map is a representation or a drawing of some area. First of all, we have to know that it's a representation and the drawing of some of the large area it can be, or it can be the smaller area. Like in bracket is given also that it can be a village or the town or the city, anything. Or the bigger area, say your district or state. So very large area like India or even the whole world we can consider, we can represent the whole world with the help of map, and that's why from the childhood days we are practicing different map locations where we are pointing out the different states, districts among the West Bengal map. So map, a lot kind of maps we have already seen in our different chapters from the geography. Now I am giving some pictures of the map. You can see these two different kinds of maps are given. The first one is the map of India, which represent different states along with its capital. In the first part we can see it's India political map where the different states and along with its capital name written over there. And in the second portion of the map we can see it's a West Bengal map where along with the district's name some of the locations are also given, and it's also marked with the help of red color. So it's a map of West Bengal, represents different districts as a whole. Now we are going for the next part, which is different or several kinds of map. There are 3 different types of map, which are, first one is physical map. We can see the first map, it's a physical map. Second part is the political map, and the third part is the thematic map. These 3 maps are here in our world where we want to represent anything with the help of 3 maps we are representing. So our first topic is physical map. This is the physical map. I think students can understand these 2 different types of maps I have given for your better understanding. The first one is physical map, where we are mainly watching that some natural features are present over here, which are mountains, oceans, rivers, etc. That means physical map is a kind of map where we can represent different physical features of our world. What are the physical features? That means is the natural features, which features we are getting directly from the nature without any human intervention. This kinds of map we can call as a physical map, where we are representing different physical features like mountains, like rivers, oceans, natural vegetation, etc. But from these two types of map, in the first map I am showing or representing the river. This is the drainage map of India, where different rivers are located in the country, and in the other parts of the map we are showing that the different mountain or the hill ranges, where Aravalli, Vindhya, Satpura, Eastern Ghat, Western Ghats, different kinds of ranges are represented. So this is the concept of physical map. Come to the next part, which is the political map. What is political map? Political map means where we are showing the details of the countries or the states, its boundaries, the cities, etc. Like in one kind of map where we are representing the different political divisions or different political boundaries of the map, where we can see that district, state, union territories, their capitals, that things we can represent. So here I have given only a blank map, which is an India map, where all the state boundaries are completely given. So this is the concept of political map. And the last one is for us, which is thematic map with a specific kind of information. Here I have not given any example, but the example you will give it to me for the next class, where we can see different specific kind of information. What does it mean? Thematic. From the word thematic we can understand this includes different themes. Among different themes, we can consider the theme as population. Can you see? This is the population map, and population we can consider as a theme. Not only population, the density of population, number of population, amount of rainfall, amount of temperature, everything we can consider as a theme. So by those map, we can represent the different themes in our country's map or world map or different kinds of map. Those map will be considered as a thematic map. From the map, I have given here a map. Here you can see different coloring shades are present. Can you see, students? Different coloring shades are present. Mainly the color is brown, but some of the parts the brown color is faded and some of the part is very deep. So what's the reason behind this? The reason is in which part of the map we can see the dark color of the brown shade. That means it's a high population or heavy population. Like Uttar Pradesh, the shade is very high. Maharashtra, right? After that, in which part the middle kind of shade we can see of the brown color, that means these are the middle type of or moderate kind of population we can see, like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, etc. And the lowest or the least kind of population we can see in the Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim. So from the shade of the color we can understand in some of the part population density is very high and some of the part is least. This is called the thematic map. Thank you.